Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog. And this is the vlog number 7. And today we're going to talk about the Black taxonomy, but we are going to focus on the HOTS. First, what are HOTS? HOTS means high order thinking skills, that it's about the higher part of the Bloom taxonomy. These are focused on the analyze, evaluate, and create part because they are in the top, because the lots are the lower parts that are to apply, understand, and remember. So today I'm going to focus on the HOTS, the start since the analyze skills. So here down I have my script. So if I'm looking down, it's because I'm reading the information that I took notes and that I developed. So first, why did I choose analyze? Because analyze is part of the HOTS. And also, these help students break down information into parts, identifying relationships, and also compare ideas, because they analyze, they process an information, and they look about that information. So it is a powerful skill because it pushes learners to go beyond remembering and understanding. Okay, these help students to think deeper, not just read and that's all on understanding. No, it's go beyond. Read something, understanding, and analyze it. So into a class activity could be a compare and a contrast characters, could be for example, we have an activity called same or different. That's activity, and here they use, or the skills that they use here is the analyze, and the materials that we are going to use are two characters from a story, a movie, or a textbook. It's up to you. So how does it works? First, the students, you have to show the students two characters, okay, two pictures. For example, we're going to talk about Harry Potter. We're going to show a picture of Harry Potter and the other one for Hermione. I'm sorry, Hermione. So you ask them questions. For example, what are the similarities, or what is the difference, or how do their actions affect the story? Because of course you have to suppose that you have to be sure that the students know. If you're talking about a textbook or a movie, you have to be sure that your students know it, know the story, know the movie, and remember it. And so here, as the next step, number 3, you can ask your students to compare into a Venn diagram, okay, comparing both pictures. So this activity, it's helpful, and also it works because your students are not just describing. Here they're breaking down traits, they're identifying, they are connecting information. So that's exactly the analyze level in the Bloom taxonomy. Bloom taxonomy looks in an action. It's the part. That's the activity. I'm sorry. What it matters. The analyze part is very important, and it matters too much because that develop students' critical thinking skills, and learn and identify also their ideas. This skill help students in reading, in science, or even in real life decisions making. That's very, very important. Okay, so so far, week 7, my hot skill is analyze. Alright, so to close, today we talk about the HOTS, especially focus on the analyze skills. In my classroom activity, I give you a comparing and contrast task using characters, and so it's easy to implement and give students great practices with deeper thinking. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you the next week. Bye!